In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam Client Beta if you want early access to new Steam features, interface improvements, and upcoming fixes before they roll out to everyone. Joining the Steam Client Beta is a simple option built right into the app. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can turn it on without any confusion. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Once the Steam window is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Steam. This opens the main application menu where account and client settings are managed. From that menu, select Settings. This will bring up the settings window, which includes several categories for customizing how Steam behaves and appears. Next, go to the Interface tab. You'll usually find this in the list on the left side of the settings window. The Interface section is where Steam places options related to the look and behavior of the client, including update channels and participation settings. Once you're in the Interface tab, look for the section labeled Client Beta Participation. Depending on your version of Steam, this may appear as a drop-down setting that controls whether you're using the standard public release or the beta version of the client. Click the drop-down menu in that section and choose Steam Beta Update. Selecting this tells Steam that you want to receive beta client updates instead of staying on the regular stable version. This is useful if you want to try new features early, but keep in mind that beta versions can occasionally be less polished than the standard release. After selecting Steam Beta Update, click OK to save the change. This confirms your new update preference and prepares Steam to switch over to the beta channel. At that point, Steam will usually prompt you to restart the client. Go ahead and restart Steam when prompted. This step is necessary because the app needs to close and reopen in order to begin applying the new update setting properly. Once Steam restarts, it will automatically download and install the latest beta version for you. You don't need to manually search for the update or install anything separately. Just give it a moment to finish, especially if the update is large or your connection is a bit slower. And that's it. After the installation completes, your Steam client will be running the beta version. If you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same setting and change the beta participation option back to the regular release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.